guys, no. We're gonna do a transaction. Okay. Let me just. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow! It magically appeared. Okay. Now,
So what is this? What do you guys think?
I think it's a computer or something.
Yeah, and it has a little light
Yeah.
for the egg.
Okay, guys, we're going to do the. Do you want to do the next step real quick with magic?
Sure.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! We got the next piece. So the two pieces that we have on this set are. So we have this like computerish one. Let's see. Focus. Nice. And then we have this like almost like stand. Come on. Focus. Focus for me. Oh, come on. Guys, I'm sorry if you can't see it. It's a little blurry. Oh, come on. Focus, please. Please focus. You know I'm gonna be mad. Never mind. Oh, wow, guys. So, transition. Are we on to the second one? Let me see. Oh, where'd it go?
Trusty manual.
You hear this one? Okay, yeah guys, we are on package 2. And we need the dinosaur. Dinosaur friend. Dinosaur friend? We don't need the head right now still. Yeah, no we don't. No, that's just for packaging 2. It didn't say we need the head. That's just for the extra. Okay. Guys, you ready? See you guys. Like and subscribe, like I said. Don't be smart. Don't be unsmart like him. Hey. You ready for another transition? You ready? Make it magical. 3, 2, 1. Voila. So we have the body of the skeleton. So guys, we're just gonna get this done real quick with one more. Sorry guys if it's taking so long. We're just gonna do one more magic. So let's see it. 3, 2, 1. And it's finished. Oh boys. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you don't miss a brand new episode. Bye.